Hi, Nadeem here from Smart Riding. This is the Q5 Pro lights from RIDERNAV. Now this is in the lowest setting, which is the daytime running lights mode. Now the DRL mode is in yellow, as you can see just now, so I just want to show that before I actually begin showing all the other intensities and all the other things that the lights do. Now, just before I begin, I should mention we have a promo code with RIDERNAV, and that's simply Smart Riding, all one word. If you just enter that at the last stage of checkout, that will give you 25% off the lights and all the other stuff like the R7M, Smart Display, etc. To change the intensities, etc. with the lights, what you do is you tilt the wonder wheel. I know you're not going to be able to see this very well because it's dark here, but you just tilt the wheel and they'll flash like that, and then you can adjust the intensity. So that's the level 1. Now that's pretty bright anyway. I think that's extremely bright if you ask me, but there's another 2 intensities and I'll show you them in a second, and I'm also going to show you as the bike's moving. Okay, so let's adjust it again. That's number 1 and that's number 2. So that's the second setting now. Now you can see how far ahead that's actually thrown the light now. Right, so from here, now let's go to intensity 3. So I'll do the same again. 1, 2, and this is the third setting, and that's 4. So that's number 3. You can see how bright that is, and let's do number 4. I'll need to do it again now. That's full. That's the lights on absolute full. That's 22,000 lumens. That is just super bright. I mean, it's amazing how bright these things are, but what I like is, because I've got the CAN bus controller fitted under the seat, this works with the wonder wheel. It also does other things which I'm going to show you in a minute. Now first of all, I'm just going to put it back to the daytime running lights mode. So it's back to the yellow lights. So I do have the yellow covers for these as well, which I'm going to put on as well and show you them working on it as well. I prefer having the yellow covers on at all times because I just like the higher intensity to be yellow as well, not just the DRL mode. I like the DRL mode, but I prefer it at the medium intensity at all times, so it's just on yellow at just a sort of medium intensity. So I'll put them on as well. So this is the medium intensity that I've got them on. You can see how far ahead it's actually shining the light now. This is the highest intensity I've got them on now. I think the 200 meters as claimed is actually accurate. It is lighting up pretty high. It is lighting up pretty far ahead here. One other feature I'm going to demonstrate is the syncing up with the horn. So I press the horn. And it syncs with the lights and flashes them strobes. Now the good thing with this system, with the CAN bus controller, it's already pre-configured, so I don't need to do anything. It's already, all these functions are built in, they're already there. Now just for your information, to turn the lights on, you press the cancel indicator button and it comes on straight onto the DRL mode. Now that's yellow as I've said already, but what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put these yellow covers on top of it, so that the high intensity white lights will be yellow now. These are an optional extra and they're definitely worth buying if you're getting these. Okay, let's adjust the lights up now. So that's the number 1 intensity with the yellow covers on. And that's what they look like. So this is what it looks like at number 2. Okay, now I'm going to put this to the highest intensity. That's it at full 22,000 lumens output on the yellow covers. That's the main beam on the bike is linked up as well, so if I do main beam, you'll see it will come on full intensity. So both the the bike's main beam and the main beam for the Q5s will come on at the same time.